Are you struggling to remember the difference between type 1 and type 2 errors? Or when to use a t-test versus a chi-square test? Today we are turning biostatistics into memorable melodies that will stick in your mind during your NEET PG exam. Memory song for statistical test. T-test for means. Chi-square for counts. Z-test for proportions. That's what really counts. ANOVA, also known as analysis of variance. ANOVA for multiple groups to compare. Mann-Whitney when data is not normal. Data is not normal. Acha. Okay. Handle with care. Talking about the teaching points, what I need to tell you here. If the sample size is more than 30, you will apply the Z test. See, Z, the A, B, C, D, all these letters are around 35 or 36. I don't remember the exact number of letters. But Z comes somewhere more than 30. So easy way to memorize is sample size more than 30. Z is 35th or the 36th letter. So Z is more than 30. So more than 30. And when sample size is less than 30, then you will apply t test. Now t comes, it is less than the 30th letter, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I love you. I love all my students. So in these letters, t is somewhere before the 35th or the 36th letter. So less than 30 is t in alphabetical order if you memorize. Then categorical chi-square test for counts or for categorical variables. I've told you data, categorical data, right? Qualitative data is categorical data, nominal, ordinal. And then I told you about quantitative data, that is discrete or continuous, right? Continuous are decimals. Multiple groups, you'll use ANOVA. Now, this you remembered. Statistical test symphony we are done with. Now talking about p-value melody. P-value melody, p less than 0.05. Reject the null with pride. Reject the null with pride. That is, we will reject the null hypothesis and we will accept the alternate hypothesis. P value greater than 0.05. Null hypothesis will ride. That is, it will prevail. Null hypothesis will ride. No one is riding here. Please don't get any double meaning sexual overtones here. No one is riding anyone, but this is an easy way to memorize. I know sexual mnemonics work the best. You write someone, right? Null hypothesis is having sex with alternate hypothesis. Or null hypothesis is fucking alternate hypothesis. This is an easy way to memorize it. I know sexual mnemonics really ride. Riding. Being ridden by someone, right? Okay. Then alpha level set before. You set the alpha level before. Don't change it anymore. Yeah, once you set the alpha level, you set it. Don't change it anymore. Statistical significance. Statistical significance. That's what you are looking for. This finishes the p-value melody. Now talking about the sensitivity and specificity song. Sensitivity catches the sick. Sensitivity catches the sick. The people who are actually sick. That is true positives. True positives. True positives. Whereas specificity spots the healthy. Healthy is one who is not diseased. That is negative. True negative. Positive is sick, obviously in a study, and negative is healthy. So specificity spots the healthy. That's really great. For example, snout. No, some dolphins or anyone has a pointed thing, that is a snout. Sensitive. Sensitive test, negative rules out. Sensitive test rules out the negative. Sensitive test rules out the negative, so you are left only with positives. Sensitive rules out negative, sensitive rules out negative, you are left only with positive. And outspin, that is specific test, positive rules in. Snout, sensitive test, negative rules out. And spin, you can remember specific test, positive rules in. Yeah, now ending it with a study design rap. Are you all ready for the study design rap? Quick memory beats, come on. Case control, look backs in time. Cohort follows forward. Case control, look backs in time. Meaning by case control study is retrospective. Because it goes backward in time. Case control, look backs in time. Cohort follows forward. Follows forward. It is generally majority of times it's prospective. At your level you need to know this only, but in our level after doing MD it can be a retrospective cohort study also, but that's very unusual. Case control, look backs in time. Cohort follows forward. That's the rhyme. Cross sectional. That's the rhyme. That's the rhyme. Cross sectional is a snapshot view. Cross sectional gives you a snapshot view. Cross sectional is a snapshot view. RCT is gold standard. Cross sectional is a snapshot view. RCT is gold standard. Always randomized control trial is a gold standard. Tried and true. Practice these songs daily and biostatistics will become second nature. Subscribe for more medical mnemonics and comment below which statistical concept you want me to musicalize next. Bye.